So we took the flight in Dubai at 7 o'clock this morning. We got here around 10 o'clock. So we got out, we rented a car, and we came down to Mount Nebo. You have an amazing view on the Dead Sea, Israel or Palestine. Yeah, so now we rented the car. It was very easy to rent the car. Lucky for us, they had this that they brought, which is a portable Wi-Fi. So saved me having to buy a SIM card. So we got this. We were luckily we were the first customer to actually use it. So we've got that. So we've got internet everywhere we go. And now we are on our way to Dead Sea. But I've seen some really beautiful cameras. So I'm gonna stop, take some pictures, and go near.
Oh, that's the baby.
Baby, yeah. Mama.
Oh, baby.
Hi, babe.
Baby. Oh, yeah,
Milk.
baby up there. Still drinking milk. Oh.
Once we reached the hotel, we checked in, and then we went to see the room. The hotel was amazing. The security at the hotel was as if you were going through the security at the airport. The room was really nice, and we had an absolutely beautiful views from the room that we were. As you can see on the picture, the whole bit that we can see from the balcony is actually the West Bank, and the nearest part to the Dead Sea, or the hotel where we were, was actually Jericho in Palestine. Once we were settled, checked in, we felt a bit hungry, so we decided to go down and check out the food. The food was lovely. It was buffet all the way. We had a really good time, tasted some really nice food. It was mostly Middle Eastern food, and the dessert as well. The Dead Sea is not far away, and it's private to the hotel, so they have a mini shuttle bus that will go every half an hour. It's about 5 minutes. If you go through the hotel, they will give you mud from the Dead Sea to put over. It has some benefit for the skin. After that, we decided to go back to the hotel and check the rest of the hotel. They had a really nice swimming pool and bar area. The hotel actually don't sell any alcohol, as far as I've seen, so it was all non-alcoholic drinks there. We did have a good time though, and also the pool was quite amazing. And then I decided to go to the gift shop because I do have quite a lot of friends and family, so I thought I'll just go and see what they've got. Lucky, and one of the good things is the gift shop has a really good price, so we bought most of the gift there. Pool and all that was so beautiful during the day that we thought, you know what, we will come back at night. And then they had some entertainment and all that, so we went to check it at night and spend some time there. As you can see, how beautiful this place is at night. The next morning after breakfast, so we were on our way to Petra. Actually, we were staying in a Bedouin camp near Petra, so we left around 11 o'clock and decided to drive. So we drove through the Jordan Valley on the banks of Dead Sea. Stop a few places to take pictures and try the water. As you can see, the views was just stunning. Every bit of the way I had to stop. We had to go down to the shore, take some pictures. It was just so beautiful. The water was really salty. As you can see in this video there, I picked up a lump of salt from the water and I was actually breaking it with my hand. We carry on driving through the Jordan Valley. It was an amazing drive, and then we reached the Bedouin camp. So we actually stayed at the Seven Wonders Bedouin camp. If you look in the description, there should be a link to the video of our stay there and about the whole camp. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.